Hey guys, check out our Kipling Contemporary model home out here at Copper Ridge. Those of you that know me should definitely associate Clayton with Lauren. I work out here in this model home actually in Copper Ridge, which is in Flowers Plantation in Clayton. But here at Tree Homes, we can cross-sell, so I can help you at any of our communities. This home is really unique because it has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a huge kitchen and an open floor plan with a study. This is the downstairs bedroom. We also have a massive game room in this floor plan as well, which is perfect for extra space and entertaining, but also you can close the door, which is better than a loft in my opinion because it is with a door. And here's our 2 bedrooms. And this right here is where everybody falls in love with the Kipling because this bedroom is beautiful. I love that we did the tray ceiling, and the owner suite is in the rear of the home, so the windows do face the beautiful tree line. And this is our luxury bath upgrade. And as you can see, we have a really nice full towel shower with a rain head and a bench. This price on this home is $458, and we can build it in the high 400s.